Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. We're currently tracking here this ongoing wave 4 bounce to the upside, which presumably started on the 21st of November low. And this wave 4 is an ABC structure. It started a while ago. Obviously, we should be really in the late innings of that wave 4 bounce in the very late innings. The C wave to the upside here is considered a 5-wave move, and we likely already completed waves 1 and 2. Maybe already the 3rd wave, and so we are now in this 4th wave, which is expected. This 4th wave was expected, and the 5th wave to the upside could still follow. It's important to highlight that this support area would ideally hold in this wave 4 pullback. It's between $90,836 and $92,879. Again, at least avoid a decisive break below it. I would also pay attention to this green support line, which is located at $90,420. This is the structural resistance and also support. So we have a mixture there of Fibonacci support levels and structural support. And for now, it seems like we have been rejected from the December high. And yeah, from the December highs, basically. That should not be a surprise. I mean, we have a pretty healthy 3rd wave. The 3rd wave could have also formed another high, but that's fine. It's just important that we don't break below support, at least not on a sustained basis. Now, because of how wide and long and extended this wave 2 was, it's possible, but not needed. That wave 4 will also extend a little bit and spend a few more days in this sideways range. Wave 4 would likely be in a BC structure. Of course, triangles are a possibility. Other more complex structures are possible. We clearly have a 3-wave move down into support clearly. So, with a 3-wave move down into support, it is technically possible that the wave 4 is already complete because it's a 3-wave move, the 4th wave. But a 3-wave move can always extend into a more complex 3-wave move. And it might be possible. We're currently just working on the wave of the 4th wave. And again, so we could spend some time in this sideways range. Also, if we look at proportions, this seems ideal, but again, it's not needed. I said before that this wave 2 was probably artificially extended sideways because of the holiday period. So the wave 4 might just run its just usual, let's say, duration. And so one more high is still anticipated. The 97 to 98,000 area seems likely as an ideal target in wave 5. So I just haven't seen any evidence yet that this wave 4 pullback is complete. If I look at some altcoins, this wider BC structure that you see on the chart in orange seems likely. Yeah. So for example, Ethereum could form a wider wave for Solana, feet for example, XRP. So that's where we're tracking at the moment. Yeah. And so until we get a 5-wave, decline or a decisive break below the green line at around $90,420. I'm going to watch for at least one more high. So yeah, that's the update on Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. And also as a thank you, I have still pinned this post where you guys can request charts. I just want to know what you guys are interested in. What is the MCO community really interested in? I covered several charts here already. I read them all and yeah, appreciate if you participate, and I leave a link in the comment section. Make sure you follow and then you get access to a lot of additional updates as well that you won't get on YouTube. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.